This is the center of Tampere. Looks amazing, right? And this one is called Tammerkoski. There's a statue. That's nice.
This is the place where teenagers drink alcohol in the summer and just like preteens take sun and things like that.
This is Tammerkoski again. There's the bridge where I took a video before. And this is the other side of Tammerkoski.
And this is the Euron Juusto. Everybody eats.